Hi, Delightful One here. Thank you for joining me and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing of a special visitor that I received today. Cricut! I have a Cricut Maker, folks. Can you believe it? I purchased it because I have some t-shirts that I want to do and some ideas coming up, and they've just been flowing with ideas, and so I took the step and to go towards what my heart is telling me and get this Cricut Maker and start designing some things. So what we have today is the first unboxing. I haven't opened it. I hope everything's in here. I'm pretty sure it is. But I'm just so excited to get started with this Cricut Maker. And I ordered it from Amazon, if you're wanting to know. So here we go, folks. Dun, dun, dun. Nice packaging. So we have a box that says, "Let's get started." Okay, so they gave us some materials for my first project. Comes in a nice black envelope. Are we at the Oscars, folks? And the winner is Delightful One. Very nice Seal Cricut logo. Let's see what we have. Okay, with this unboxing, we get a swatch of material. Okay, and some form of, I guess, blue cardstock and white cardstock. Probably to make a card, more than likely. Okay. So that was the first thing. Also in the box, it's a welcome book and I believe it's the rotary tool. Very nice. Nice packaging, sharp instruments, and the welcome book is here. Accessories, it tells you about your tools, the cutting tools, fonts and images, probably about design space. Okay, and underneath, we continue in the box. We have connector cable where it will connect your Cricut to your laptop. We have a pen, some form of writing pen that the Cricut utilizes. And this is some kind of cap, I think, for the rotary tool. Actually, it's a blade cap. Cricut rotary blade cap. And we have warranty information right here. I believe it has a 1-year manufacturer warranty against defects. That's very nice there. I'm going to put that to the side. Okay, as we continue into the box, get the packaging out. And here we have it, folks. Ooh. So let's get the cover off. Okay, oh, pretty. I picked the pink color. And I thought it was going to be like a really, really bright pink, but it's a soft pink, almost like a mauve color. It has some weight to it, but it's not overwhelming and heavy. So what this over here would be my Cricut location. And I want to stress that from what I found online, you need at least 10 inches behind and in front of your Cricut Maker in order for the mat to go in and out and do your designs. I'll leave that right there and continue the box. Okay. And of course we have the power cord. Nice white power cord. Okay, we'll use that to plug up the Cricut. And let's see if we have anything else. I see something, but I don't know if it's for Cricut or just to be in the box. Okay, here we go. These are the mats that you work with. fabric cutting mat. This says fabric grip cutting mat for fabrics only. It's a pink one. It says Cricut. And here's a blue one. And I want to say the blue one maybe it's for light grip. Cricut light grip. Okay, so it comes with 2 mats. So I do need to probably purchase the standard mat at some point. Maybe. I might not, because I actually purchased the 12 by 24 size. This is 12 by 12 mat, which comes with the Cricut. Okay? So, also in the Cricut, there is a blade, just a standard blade that comes with it. So, I'm going to pause the video right here and just get the plastic off, and I'll show you more later. Okay, I'm back again. I just wanted to let you know and let you see the items that came with the Cricut Maker. Again, these are the items to start your first project. A piece of fabric and 2 different sizes of cardstock. Then also you have the fabric grip mat for cutting. It's supposedly for fabric only. Then the blue one over here is a light grip mat. The one that I've seen in the store is called a standard grip mat, and I've also seen a stronger grip mat, but that did not come. Just these 2 mats came in there. You have a rotary tool that came, and then you have a Cricut rotary blade cap for protection, probably. This pen came, and of course this connects to your laptop if necessary. It is Bluetooth, so you don't have to have this, but you can use it. And you also get the welcome book that came with it. And basically this welcome book tells you how to get started with your Cricut Maker, how to connect it. It describes the blades, and it helps you get started on your first project. Okay, so that's all that came in the Cricut Maker. And over here you will see, this is the actual Cricut Maker. It's very, very pretty, actually. I'm kind of excited I got this color over the champagne. Very pretty. Storage right here for some of your tools. Okay. When you open the top, the bottom automatically opens. Again, we have a little storage area here. This is to hold the tablet. Now, I will say I have a Kindle Fire 10-inch tablet, but the software is not available for the Kindle Fire. But of course, if you have an iPad, or your phone can be placed here, or maybe another type of Android device, like a Microsoft tablet, may be able to work. And right here you have this where your tools will be held. Already there's a knife blade in there, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. But here it is. This is a metal, hard plastic Cricut. Okay. Now these are the things that I purchased separately. Okay. And I am not being sponsored by Cricut. Okay. If they want to, they can. But I'm not being sponsored. Okay. So on my own, I purchased a bonded fabric blade with the housing. Basically what you want to do, this is the same blade, if I'm not mistaken, it's what comes with it, but it's in a different color housing. The purpose is that you want to keep one for fabric or bonded fabric, and then another one just for cutting paper. You never want to cut the same one with paper and fabric. Okay. And this said again, bonded fabric blade. I bought a washable fabric pen. This is like $4, so I bought that. I also bought a 12 by 24 variety pack mat, cutting mat, because I know I want to do some bigger things. One of my first projects, real first project I want to make, is actually a dust cover for the Cricut. Right here, this is something my husband gave me. He got from Harbor Freight. which I'm basically going to use when it comes to weeding. Has different points, so I could use these too. So this for me was free. Okay, if you go down here, instead of buying the transfers for the vinyl, I decided to do a little hack and see how this press and seal works. I've heard it works pretty good, and I've seen some videos, so I said I'll give this a try because it's not expensive as compared to getting the vinyl transfer paper. Okay, I got some basically vinyl for the walls. I got this from Amazon. Crafty vinyl. It's a 12-inch by 8-foot roll that was approximately $8 at Amazon.com. Michaels had a sale on some size Caesar. Actually, the correct pronunciation is Caesar. HTV vinyl. So I got this for some shirts. I'm gonna do just play with a few shirts with some logos and some fonts. Okay. Ruler just ever had around the house. And also we have some more permanent vinyl right here, different colors. This was 40% off at Michael's, so I said I'll get them. 40% off of $1.99, $1.99. So I have a few colors to play around with. Of course, I'm going to do that once I get a little better, because I still, even though it was on sale, I don't want to waste or mess up a project while I'm practicing. And this right here was on sale at Michael's. It's 200 sheets of cardstock paper in multiple colors. Beautiful colors. So I'm actually going to use this, hopefully probably make a few cards, but also to practice with. I thought I could find less expensive. This was actually on sale and I got it for $8. At the time I said, okay, that's kind of pricey, but it's actually a decent deal. I did not compare it to anything on Amazon, so I don't know about that, but I went to Target and pretty much they had probably 25 sheets for maybe $6 or $7. And I figured I'd be practicing a lot, so I didn't want to spend that for that. And I went to Staples thinking, okay, office supply, paper should be cheap. No, this pack right here, the same exact pack at Staples, was $18. I was like, okay, I'm going back to Michael's while they got the sale. So this is what I got. This is most likely going to be my practice paper that I use with the Cricut. So thank you for joining in, and I'll probably do a few pictures towards the end or do a later video indicating what I've worked on, some of the projects I've worked on. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like the video, comment below. Please check out my daughter's channel. I will put the link in the description, and check out my son's channel, and I will put his link in the description. Thank you for joining me, Delightful One. Have a great day. Bye.